late! Did you download Grammarly? Come on, man. Everyone's using it. If you want to ace this paper, then don't press submit. Grammarly helps you clean up your messy, confusing sentences to get your point across clearly. See how much more clear and confident you sound now? Thank you, future Brent. No problem, Brent. And don't forget about spelling and grammar mistakes. Grammarly offers more advanced spelling and grammar suggestions that you'd otherwise miss. Just click the highlighted area and Grammarly will offer you the fix just like that. So, how are things with Sarai? She married Chad. What? Guys, who's gonna fix the hole in my wall? Can we just chill for a second, please? Did somebody say chill? Sorry I'm late. Yes, dude! Looks like we got to the CEO position. Did you know that Grammarly checks against billions of sites and catches any accidental plagiarism? Looks like an A+ to me. She said we'd be together forever. Thank you, guys, for showing me the power of Grammarly. So, does anything cool happen in the future? Guys, my wall! Oh, you're still here? Well, click the blue button to use Grammarly.